Hey everybody, this video, we got this massive Corbin padlock. This thing is huge, and I did pick this several videos ago, and I saw a Bozzy and Bill video pop up where he was able to shim one of these with a master ring open from the front, and I thought it was cool, and I had to try it. So I've tried to impression this thing to make a key for it, and thinking it's probably not actually possible with the master ring, but this is almost as good as having a key. You're going to put the shim in between the master ring and the body of the lock and put a little pressure on it. Take a little rake here and just tickle the pins as we push it. Can't let it go to the side there. Go straight into the lock. And once you get past all the pins, you can just take a tensioner or a screwdriver or something and open her right up. So it does work, and so I'll link his video so you can check it out. And so I guess that's really all I got on this one, and we'll till next time, I guess, talk to everybody later.